Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie. I'm 53 years old and I'm on a journey to become debt free. And the way I know how to do it is just to save a little bit at a time and throw it towards it all. So, before we get started, I just want to say that my thoughts and prayers are for everybody that is going through a hard time right now. This world is in a chaotic mess. And if you believe, you know what's going on. Wars, rumors of wars, just weird things happening and everything. So I wanted to say, if y'all hadn't seen my community post, go over and check it out. A special thank you to Amy Jones, who had done a Cash App donation, and I showed what I bought with it, which was a incubator for the chicken eggs. So we are going to get started. And I also wanted to say a big shout out to Amanda over at Life Unfiltered. She has been such a good friend of mine, and I really love Amanda. So if you haven't seen her channel, go over and check her out. Okay, we're going to get started. I'm not going to count this because it's all mixed up with ones and fives. I'm just going to roll the dice and put them in which one it shows up. So the first one is going to get a 3. I hope everybody is doing well, as to be expected with what's going on with the economy and stuff. If you can just save $1, save $1. If you can save $2, save $2. You know, just do what you can. Because, guys, you know, things are tough. And I'm trying to get this one finished up so I can throw it towards a debt. And like I said, there's ones and fives in here, so I don't know. We'll figure it out at the end. How many are there? The chickens are doing great. They are laying anywhere between 9 to 11 eggs a day. So it just depends on the day, I guess. I did get one out that I liked about it. I thought it was a goose egg. I mean, it was so huge. I thought, Lord, there's a goose that got in my house. But it wouldn't even fit in an egg crate. It was so big, it would not fit in an egg crate. So we had to put it in a bowl and stick it in the refrigerator. So if y'all see me make a mistake or anything, tell me, say, hey, you made a mistake. That should have went in that envelope instead of the other envelope. I'm trying my best to talk to you guys and roll the dice and keep an eye on the camera. And I got Miss Grace on the side of me who really likes to steal stuff. I'm surprised she ain't over here trying to get the dice over here. Okay, so we got that done. Let's start down here at the bottom with Connecticut. Connecticut got $6. So we will do this side over here. We'll do 3, 4, 5, 6. $6 in Connecticut. So Connecticut now has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Has now got 15. My glue is coming loose. I'm going to have to try to, let me see, I got some of this double-sided tape. Maybe this will help out a little bit. There we go. Keep it together. So, Connecticut. We got Colorado. Colorado got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do 3, 6, 9, and 10. So Connecticut now has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Has got 14. Sorry, my phone's ringing. I had to, it's on vibrate right now because I just don't want to deal with nobody today. Do y'all have days like that where you just put your phone on silent because you really don't want to deal with anybody? That's the way I am today. California got 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do 3, 6, 7, 8. These 50 state envelopes are from the Happy Mailbox Company, Lisa, over at Lisa Grateful Me on YouTube. Her and her daughter-in-law's done these, and they're so beautiful. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So California's got 15 now. And I do believe Miss Gracie's going to come over and make her appearance. She's sliding over here a little bit closer. Arkansas. There's my Miss Gracie. That's Miss Gracie Gray. Her and her brother Simon, her and her brother Rudy, which is a Siamese cat, showed up at her doorstep unexpectedly, and she's just such a great joy. She's a really good baby. Aren't you, Miss Gracie? Okay, so Arkansas got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What are you doing, baby girl? Which one are you doing? 3, 6. No, you can't eat the marker. 9. Okay, come on. Come on. So I believe Arkansas has only got $9 in it today. Each one of these little challenges, I want to try to save what I can to pay towards debt to get it off, because everybody knows and everybody does not like being in debt. Come on, baby girl. You getting up in Mama's way. Let Mama get her a drink of coffee here. Okay, so we are here on Arizona. Poor old Arizona didn't get much at all today. Arizona is hot. This is the Grand Canyon. No, Miss Gracie. Come on, honey. You gonna mess Mama up. So I think she's only got $3. Miss Arizona has only got, yep, $3, because there's a 1 in there if y'all can see it. I'm just going crazy, honey. Where's Rudy? Go find your brother. Oh, honey, I know I love you too. I love you too. Can Mama finish now? Huh? Can Mama finish? Come on. Let Mama put you down. Oh, don't be mad at me. Go on, go play. I'll play with you in a minute. Okay, so Alaska got... We'll see what Alaska got. Here she comes again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Girlfriend. Oh my goodness. Come here. Sit in Mama's lap. Here, just sit down here in my lap. I'll pet you. Just sit down here in my lap. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, she's not going to let me. So let's see what we got over here. We got 3, 6, 9, and 10. Hi, baby. Lord have mercy. She's something else. Okay, so let's see how much Miss Alaska has got into her. So she has got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. She has got 40. I know, baby girl. Oh my goodness. So guys, thanks for watching this video today and being entertained by Miss Gracie. I really appreciate every one of you all, and I hope you all have a safe week. Enjoy the time you have with your family and friends, and try not to stress over the small stuff. Take a deep breath, do some self-care, and remember to always wear a smile, because your smile makes somebody's day. Bye, guys.